Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Xiaomi robot vacuum laser sensor error. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, if you want to fix this issue here with your Xiaomi robot vacuum, especially with the laser sensor here, well, there are a few things that you may want to try. So first things first is you may want to check your actual sensor. So the actual fix or the easiest fix that you could try doing here is you may want to clean your laser sensor. Now, to be speaking, if your laser sensor is dirty or it's not working properly, this will not basically detect obstacles, and in this case, your Xiaomi robot vacuum will just move randomly in the area, or you may get some error messages in your vacuum here. So to be speaking, you may want to get a soft cloth and clean the sensors for your vacuum here. And also while you're doing that, you may want to clean your vacuum or your robot vacuum here as a whole and basically see if that actually helps. Now, to be speaking, a clean vacuum here can actually prevent any, or proper maintenance on your vacuum can actually prevent any issues coming up in the future. Now, also, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that your robot vacuum is fully updated. Now, usually in the Xiaomi robot vacuum app or in the Xiaomi app here, you could basically check for any updates on the robot vacuum. If there are any updates on it, you want to make sure to install that and just wait for the whole duration. So it might take a few minutes for it to complete, but usually speaking, when it's actually fully updated, see if that actually helps. Now, the following thing that you may want to do here is you may want to reset your vacuum. Now, sometimes there might be some glitches or software glitches here that the vacuum is stuck on. So what you need to do is you want to go and look for the reset button. Now, this actually depends on your model, and the reset process actually depends on it. Now, in some cases, at the front of your robot vacuum, you should see like a dots on it. So you should see a reset indicator on it, and you may want to use a pin to press that reset hole and just basically hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds. Now, once the second, in this case, the time is up, you can just let it go and just wait for a few seconds until the lights or the flashing lights here actually is completed. So it means that your robot vacuum has been fully reseated. Now, just some note here, you need to reset this up. So you need to connect this to your app again and do the whole reset process here. Now, in some cases, that might not be a way for you to reset your robot vacuum here. Again, this actually depends on your model. So sometimes you may need to press the power button and the home button at the same time, or sometimes a reset button should be in the underside of your robot vacuum here. So make sure to consult your manual here to see the proper reset option for your robot vacuum. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.